Darra Adam Khel, a history, mystery, and resilience. Located in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Province, Pakistan, renowned as one of the world's largest arms bazaars. Center of craftsmanship and commerce, ideally situated along historic trade routes. Strategic location along historic trade routes, center of craftsmanship and commerce. Generations of artisans craft intricate firearms and weaponry. People's triumphs and tribulations have shaped culture. Trace. Darra Adam Khel, a historical and cultural symbol. Originated from Pashtun tribes along the Khyber Pass, served as a crucial link between South Asia and Central Asia. Known for its strategic location and skilled gun-making during British rule. Despite modernity and conflict, Darra Adam Khel remains resilient, preserving its cultural heritage and traditions. Today, it stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its people and the rich tapestry of history.
Geography and culture.
Darra Adam Khel, a rich cultural heritage, surrounded by rugged terrain with mountains, valleys, and rivers. Rich cultural heritage with deeply rooted traditions and customs. Strong family ties and hospitality. Celebrations include music and dance.
The Arms Bazaar.
Produces a variety of weapons, from pen guns to anti-aircraft cannons. Handcraft weapons are made using traditional methods passed down through generations. Regular testing of guns is a common practice, ruled by native tribesmen. Majority of population manufactures or sells weapons. Heavy ammunition production discontinued. Tourism advised due to local law enforcement.
Challenges and controversies.
Darra Adam Khel faced tough challenges. There was many people struggle with money and jobs, and that makes life hard. Security worries was hanged over the region, affected daily life. Conflict in the past left scars. The arms trade brings controversy, with concerns about its impact. Some worrying it fuels violence and instability, harming the community. Balancing tradition with modern needs is tough, but the people strived for a better future despite these hurdles. In the beginning, it was a tribal territory. In May 2018, Pakistan's parliament passed an historic law that would see FATA, until now governed directly by Islamabad through a colonial system of political agents who wielded extraordinary powers in their areas of jurisdiction, merge with its neighboring Khyber Pakhtunkhwa KP province. The law sees the repeal of the Frontier Crimes Regulation (FCR), a British law that gave political agents wide-ranging executive, judicial, and legislative powers over each of the 7 tribal districts, home to more than 4.6 million people. Darra Adam Khel, most employed by the gun industry, has thrived in the nebulous enforcement of laws that this arrangement created, serving as a hub for weapons manufacturing. The manufacture of all types of weapons is tightly controlled through a system of licenses, allowing factories to produce only a specific type of weapon. None of that applies, of course, to Darra Adam Khel. People could buy a gun with freedom, says Local 55, a local chieftain. Whether on their own license or in some other way. We would not ask them for their license. Now, however, Local says the thousands employed by the gun industry in Darra are afraid of how the merger with KP will affect their industry. Among tribal leaders, who enjoyed considerable influence under the FCR as conduits of the political agents' power over citizens, the arguments against the implementation of the merger center on ideas of freedom and tradition. We have been living our lives under traditions for many years, and we have been doing well under it, says Akarwal, the tribal chieftain. We are not familiar with the police, says Saib Khan, 28, a gunsmith in Darra's main bazaar. The old system, I think that system was fine. Even if there was the FCR, we were familiar with it, we understood it. Khan, whose family has manufactured guns for generations, we know only this work. If I find a job anywhere, I will pack up and go. For those in Darra's bazaar, though, the fear is palpable. The government says that we tribals have given many sacrifices during the war against the Taliban, says Banat Khan, the gun shop owner. We are Pakistani. By Allah's will we will continue to sacrifice. Why not? It is our country. But we demand just one thing: sacrifice one thing for us, and do not take our freedom from us.
Conclusion.
In closing, Darra Khel stands as a testament to resilience and tradition. From its historic Arms Bazaar to its vibrant culture, this land holds a unique place in the world. Despite challenges, its people persevere, weaving a story of hope and strength. Let us cherish the lessons of Darra Khel, the importance of preserving heritage, embracing diversity. For in this ancient land, we find inspiration to overcome obstacles and unite as one global community.